Hi, this is Jack from Canvas GFX, and I want to show you how using documentation on the Canvas Envision platform can totally transform the way you communicate important product and process information. Let's look first at how a lot of documentation is consumed today. Much of the time, documents will be in Word or PDF format. I might get that emailed to me. I might access it on a shared drive, or it might be sent through Teams or Slack. In all instances, I may well then download the file to my local device. So now there's a version of the file on my desktop and one in a communications channel. And whoever created that original document doesn't know about my downloaded version. I've got two options now. I might print it, and we know from our recent survey that 28% of manufacturers still have hard copy documentation in circulation. Or I'll open it up on whatever device I might be using. So let's open up this PDF, and you'll recognize the experience right away. I can zoom in and out, I can scroll, and maybe I can add a comment for my own or my team's benefit. If I do that though, this version of the document is now different from the version which was originally shared. Otherwise, it's a flat document. I can look at the pictures, but that's about it. Now, let's look at the same document using Envision. An EV doc, like this one created in Envision, brings your collaboration to unsurpassed levels. Because with Envision, you give viewers the ability to interact with your 3D models. This document lives online. Envision stores your files within your own workspace. Your workspace is your home to share files and communicate easily with your customers. You can share this document. You can give several options of viewing privileges. You can give an expiration date to your sharing and even create a password for more sensitive documentation. And your document, which lives online, can be accessed by any modern-day browser. If you have an internet connection, you can access these files on computer, tablet, even phone. Envision has so many options for collaboration. Note here, with the use of layers, I can tell the story of this model and really let my customer interact with its use case. I can speak directly to my customers. Envision allows any user with a link to my page the ability to message me. Here, I can set priority for the message, and I can reply directly to the user, offering them the information they need instantly. I can have my customers interact directly with my model. They can rotate the model, explode the model. They can isolate specific parts of the model. And I can even add animation directly into my document, so I can tell the story of my model precisely as I wish. This document was not only easy to build, but really fun to make. If you want to see how that process works, make sure you check out the accompanying video. At Canvas, we really do believe interacting is understanding. Check out more great content at canvasgfx.com. And for all of us at Canvas, thank you for watching.